Whispers have developed into rumbles, which have then escalated into roars, repeating a forecast that has the potential to permanently alter the face of the industry. However, what does this signify for the historical titan? Could the electric surge from Tesla lead to the demise of conventional auto giants? And why does investing industry titan Ron Barron have such a strong belief in this exciting future? This audacious prophecy is being driven by none other than Barron. While conventional car moguls face uncertainty, an electric vehicle type may be on the verge of an industry breakthrough. Join us for an exciting story where mysteries are revealed, the stakes are enormous, and the whole structure of the US auto industry may change. Are you prepared to dive further and discover the shocking realities? Because this trip not only promises excitement, but also answers that could completely change our understanding of the automotive industry. But before we move on, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons. Allow us to begin this video, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Electric forces are starting to manifest in a world where change is the only constant. I imagine this transportation technology advances daily. Heretofore unassailable colossi of the auto industry now face threats to their hegemony. Automakers are entering the race from all directions, but in the middle of this chaos, one force stands out above the others. The driving factor behind the electric revolution is none other than Nikola Tesla. The speed at which the winds of change blow is intriguing. Think back to 2014 and 2015, or at least not too far away. At the time, Tesla was barely breaking even, producing just 40,000 cars a year. In the present day, they are preparing to surpass the staggering number of 1.8 million, with their sights firmly fixed on 20 million. Amazing, isn't that right? Tesla's milestones echo their thunderous triumph as market commentators argue over financial nuances. But cherished viewers, there are more levels to this story to be discovered. Tesla is a ray of optimism in a world beset by economic difficulties, where skyrocketing loan rates are rendering car ownership an unattainable goal for a great number of people. Your brilliant investor Ron Barron makes the startling discovery that Tesla is poised to completely transform the US auto industry. Could the ancient titans be about to collapse? Will Tesla's innovative abilities soon eclipse them entirely? The solution is in store for the future. Imagine the Cybertruck, a technical marvel that adorns American roadways. Its very existence is guaranteed to spark discussions and inspire appreciation, regardless of one's fondness for trucks. Tesla is a magnetic pole that attracts attention because of its attractiveness. If you look closely, there are rumors that Tesla is collaborating with major players in the market like Toyota or Honda. An underdog story is also developing. Tesla's entry into the energy sector with a whopping 24 margin eclipses their 16 vehicle business. Perhaps the underdog in the race to the future is this unsung hero of Tesla's portfolio. The narrative becomes more complex as legendary Tesla ally and investment guru Ron Barron continues to express his optimism about the company's future. Imagine if you made an investment that multiplied by 20. That's the tale of stock trader Barron's triumph with his original $380 million Tesla investment. Going back in time exposes Barron Capital Management's early support for Tesla, having jumped in at just $140 a share. Startling $6 billion in profit and counting was the end consequence. Known for steadfast faith in Tesla, Ron Barron first exhibited his support for the company in 2014. He's not just an investor. He's a believer with a $4 billion total position in Tesla between his shares and those of Barron Capital's clients. Barron is unwavering as one of Tesla's most important stockholders. His sentiment is echoed by a recent CNBC display. Tesla's rising stock price trajectory is still far from peaking. Barron has at least 8 more years left on his Tesla. His dedication is unwavering, and based on his vision, Tesla has an incredibly promising future. This story is the roadmap for all long-term investors and Tesla lovers. Not only is there the current situation to consider, but Tesla has enormous potential for the years to come. However, why is Tesla ready to take on the foundation of the US auto industry? There are numerous causes. Leading the electric vehicle revolution with a prominence that eclipses its competitors, Tesla does more than just engage in the movement. Tesla's success can be attributed to a unique combination of technological prowess, innovative thinking, a strong sense of brand loyalty, and a client base that is more like a fandom than a traditional loyalty. The Cybertruck seems revolutionary, but its specifications much more so. Beneath that impressive exoskeleton is a beast with acceleration numbers that can compete with some sports cars driven by Tesla's cutting-edge electric drivetrain. The Cybertruck can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in as little as 2.9 seconds, depending on the type. But speed isn't the only factor. The Cybertruck was designed by Tesla to be both functional and efficient. Its remarkable 14,000 lb towing capacity and 3,500 lb payload capacity are also outstanding. The adjustable air suspension system makes sure that the ride is smooth, even when you're moving large objects or across uneven ground. In addition, the Cybertruck is built to last. Its range on a single charge can go over 500 miles, depending on the variant. Naturally, since it is a Tesla, it also has the company's exclusive autopilot features, which open the door to the possibility of eventually having completely automated driving capabilities. The interior of the truck is just as futuristic as the outside, with a minimalistic design centered around a 17-inch touchscreen that manages the majority of the vehicle's operations. Furthermore, the tough exoskeleton is not merely a showpiece. It is composed of extremely tough 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, which provides a level of durability that rivals that of even the market's toughest rivals. Essentially, the Cybertruck is more than just a car. It's Tesla's bold idea of what a truck should be in the future. Well-balanced combination of strength, efficiency, durability, and cutting-edge design. Not only does the Model I captivate, but it also transports, drawing attention wherever it goes. Last but not least is Tesla's visionary full self-driving software, which offers a tantalizing glimpse into a future in which automobiles are not merely capable of driving, but also of thinking. Not only is Tesla building cars, but it's creating a revolution. When someone buys a Tesla, they're not simply buying a vehicle. They are joining a movement and becoming ardent supporters who not only drive a Tesla, but also embody its values, raising awareness of the brand's urgent appeal. There have been rumors circulating in the car quarters lately about a significant shift in an already crowded industry. By 2025, it's expected that auto giants Toyota and Lexus will be using Tesla's innovative charging connector. This is a lot. With its extensive and expanding supercharging network and its NX charging port, which is frequently praised as the industry standard, Tesla is no longer just an option. It is swiftly establishing itself as the leading decision. Ford and other big players are already responding to the demand and recognizing Tesla's leadership in this field. But the sophisticated technology alone isn't what makes Tesla superchargers so beautiful. More than just a piece of infrastructure, these charging stations are sacred spaces where Tesla aficionados gather to exchange approval nods, road stories, and the kind of companionship that only other trailblazers can provide. In a world where charging an electric car can frequently take several hours, Tesla stations reduce that time to just a few minutes, while also creating a sense of community and exclusivity among their users. However, Tesla's goals go far beyond what is possible for cars. Tesla is making its impact on the rapidly changing energy industry with the help of the Powerwall, a small but powerful home battery. Homeowners can store solar energy and have access to green electricity around the clock. This is a step toward energy independence, not just a way to reduce your electricity costs. Then there's the Power Pack, which is the bigger, more commercial version of the Powerwall and is intended for use in utility and commercial settings. It demonstrates Tesla's dedication to establishing the viability of renewable energy on a large scale. Businesses may lower expenses, lessen their carbon footprints, and even feed extra energy back into the grid with Power Pack. Without a sustainable method of harvesting it, though, what use would all this stored energy be? Let's look at Tesla's solar roof. It's a fusion of style and utility, not just a roofing fix. These solar panels are not the large ones from the past. The carefully designed tiles from Tesla ensure longevity and a smooth integration of solar cells. The end result is a roof that enhances the appearance of your home while providing electricity and protection. With these developments, Tesla is doing more than just selling goods. It's bringing us closer to a time when using clean, renewable energy will be commonplace rather than just a pipe dream. When you consider their audacious endeavors like as the Tesla network, it's evident that Tesla is not merely reinventing the automobile. Rather, it's revolutionizing the entire landscape of transportation and energy in the years to come. Tesla's story serves as a monument to vision, ingenuity, and unshakable confidence at this pivotal point in the growth of the automotive industry. Entering Ron Barron's creative world reveals a futuristic landscape so brilliant it verges on becoming outrageous. If Barron's forecasts come true, The Tesla ticker might rise to a breathtaking $1,500 to $600 per share by 2025 instead of just hovering. And this is only the curtain raiser. If the financial almanac timetable is extended to include the following 8 or 10 years, it may reveal a staggering valuation of almost $4.05 trillion for Tesla. What may be the North Star directing Barron's hopeful travels, one could wonder. It is Tesla's lifeblood. Its extraordinary capacity to produce cars. Barron's beliefs stem from Tesla's unparalleled ability to not only develop but also transform. By the end of the decade, imagine the electric behemoth producing an astounding 20 million automobile miracles annually. Now, such bumps and jolts are inevitable in every journey of growth. Some people may have short-term difficulties such as infrequent differences in deliveries or fluctuations in income. However, Barron, with his well-honed sense of investing, supports a broad perspective. Through his lens, he depicts a future scene in which Tesla not only leads the pack, but also defines it, growing its influence with every fiscal quarter. And here's the Sindo moment. Imagine a world that is only 4 orbits away from our own. From Barron's perspective, the factories of Tesla buzz and scream as they produce a staggering 1 million automobiles every 99 days. If we were to project this trajectory forward 10 years, the scope would be nothing short of spectacular. Every quarter, a staggering 5 million Teslas grace the roads, highways, and alleyways. It appears that the future has already been written, and Tesla is well positioned to write every page. Herein is the story's twist, though. Barron's optimistic forecast is dependent only on Tesla's electric vehicle sales. Not only that, but he ignores Tesla's growing battery business, its robotics ventures, and its autonomous vehicle initiatives. Elon Musk previously stated that the robots from Tesla might become more important than the cars. When combined with all the advances that Tesla has up its sleeve, it becomes difficult for even the most devoted followers to keep up. But ardent supporters like Barron stay enthralled, observing every step and turn. Under Musk's direction, Tesla has evolved into more than just an automaker. It has become a force for change, inspiring rivals to experiment with greener technology and electric cars. Not only did Tesla enter the car industry, but it completely transformed it, paving the way for sustainable mobility. History demonstrates that Tesla may soon alter the course of the automotive sector. One thing became abundantly obvious as we explored the fascinating world of Tesla's prospects. The company's momentum is nothing short of transformative. We read through Ron Barron's well-informed forecasts, comprehended the possible scope of Tesla's automobile manufacturing, and were even astounded by the unrealized potential of its other endeavors outside electric vehicles. However, given these enormous opportunities and optimistic forecasts, where do you see Tesla going? Is Tesla able to stay at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution? And with so many projects underway, including robotics and driverless cars, which industry do you think has the most potential to support Tesla's future expansion? Please feel free to leave your comments in the space provided below. Please use the like button if you enjoyed today's video before you leave. And don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News for even more thrilling information on the world of Tesla. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you in our upcoming films.